Okay. All right, Nathan. This is just to get to know you a little bit. So
It's cold in the house.
It is cold. Do you want to grab your jacket?
I think I might.
Okay.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Oh,
All right, perfect.
I'm not cold. Are you cold?
I am a little bit cold, but I think I'll be okay. Okay.
And my age is 10.
All right. So you're 10 years old, and you're in 5th grade, right?
Yes.
And you're in this school. Can you tell me a little bit about your family? How many brothers or sisters you have?
I have one sister coming.
One
but
sister coming?
Yeah.
So your mom is pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you have any other siblings?
Yeah, I got my 2 brothers in foster care and one that passed away.
Oh, really? Can you
So-
tell me about that? Or you don't have to if you don't want to.
Well, the thing is, he died from diabetes.
Oh, wow.
So,
How old was he?
I don't know. All that my dad told me was he was gonna wake him up to take his meds, and then he didn't wake up.
Oh, wow. I'm so sorry to hear about that. So
And I only saw him like 2 times.
was he older than you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So he wasn't a kid. It would have been really sad if he was a kid. And there was a car wreck where a 7-year-old died.
Was that in your family?
No.
Oh, okay. What about...
Anyways,
So you have 2 brothers still? Or just one?
2
2? Are they older than you or younger than you?
older.
Older? What school do they go to?
I don't know exactly. They don't come here though.
Oh, okay. What else can you tell me about your family? About your parents, your grandparents?
I have 2 stepsisters and 3 regular sisters. 2 in Arkansas and 1 here.
Oh, wow. That's a big family.
I have huge families.
That is a
I
huge
even have a
family.
stepdad, an uncle, an aunt, a grandma, a grandpa.
Do they all live here?
Yeah. They live in Washington, but some live in different cities. Like my grandma lives in Kennewick.
Oh, okay.
My grandpa lives in West Pasco.
And where do you live?
Richland.
Do you like living in Richland?
Yeah.
Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Have you been playing in it?
Yeah.
Good morning, Mighty Mustangs. We're so glad you're here today.
Questions too. So can you tell me more about your family, your background? So I can learn more about you?
Can you remember the house report?
Wait, what?
Tell me about your family, how you grew up, what you do at home for fun.
Well, how I grow up.
Yeah, or what you like to do at home when you go home and
I
have fun.
like to play in the snow and ride my scooter in the snow.
Ride your scooter in the snow?
Yes.
No way.
I slid.
I can
It's so
imagine.
fun though.
I bet. I don't remember the last time I
My
was on a
step
scooter.
grandma tells me not to do it, but I'm not gonna fall down because I'm careful. I just like to slide.
Do you
Now
wear a
sometimes I
helmet?
do fall down, but in the snow, of course. The snow's gonna protect me.
Right. Are you? Do you wear a helmet when you go ride
No.
your scooter? No.
I don't wear helmets at all.
Jeez Louise. What's your favorite subject in school? And tell me about it and why you like it.
Recess.
Recess. How about an academic subject?
What does that mean?
It means something like math or science or history or
like
even
math.
art. You do like math?
And art.
Why do you think you like math? Did you have a good teacher?
I like math because I get to learn. Hi, Brody.
Hi, Brody. You get to learn about what?
You get to learn about. So you get to learn about multiplication and stuff, and that's what I love is multiplication.
Oh
So
yeah.
that's what I like about math. I want to try to start on division after spring break.
Well,
when
that's a
we're
good
done,
goal.
because I think that's gonna be when we're done with multiplication. We have to go to 12s, I think.
What are you on now?
I'm on 4s.
Forest. That's cool.
Where's the book?
You wanna talk about the booklet? Yeah.
See, my multiplication booklet for facts.
Can you tell me about it?
Well, number 1 is easy. Number 2, it's kind of hard.
Explain to me how you got those answers. Can you do that? Is this number 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you explain to me what the problem is and how you got your answer?
I got my answer because they said the words. Right here, they said there are blank groups of blank. There are blank cupcakes in each group. So, they show this and this. So
And
that's how I
what? So
get
what is this?
cupcakes.
Cupcakes? How are they pictured? Can you explain to me why they're grouped this way?
I don't know. Do you do this in college?
Talk about math?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
This is.
I'm in a math class right now. And I'm learning things like how to multiply fractions and how to divide fractions and how to show my work using pictures like this. That's why I'm wondering if you understand this picture and how it relates to the problem. You want to read the problem and then see if you can maybe explain the pictures?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That'd be great. This one right here. Oops. Thank you. So what's the problem?
4 times 2 equals 8.
Okay. And how did you figure that out? Do you remember how you figured that out?
Because I done a multiplication chart.
And how does
And
the
erase.
multiplication chart show 4 times 2 equals 8?
Because we counted by 4s.
Okay. Can you show me with your finger how you counted by 4s? So just so I understand your thinking.
4, 8.
Oh, okay. And you did it 2 times. with your fingers. I saw that. I understand now. Can you show me how you represented it with your picture there? How you represented the 4 times 2? Can you explain to me your picture?
Well, I represented 4 times 2. Well, I wrote in a way. So, represent
With what?
with any way.
You drew a picture. Can you just explain to me your picture?
I wrote 4 dots in each 2.
In each 2 what?
Columns.
Columns. Nice. It makes sense. So can you explain this picture? How does this picture represent 4 times 2 equals 8?
How did it represent 4 and 2? They have cupcakes with 4, I'm gonna say, I think 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then
Can you point to me what you're talking about?
there's 2 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 2 columns in
There's-
each.
Yeah, there is. Nice job. Thanks for explaining that to me. And is this whole packet of 4s? I'll take it. It's very cool. Can we talk about this one a little bit? And how, can you explain to me, number 1 and how you got your answer?
I got my answer from them, for the person who made this wrote dots. So, and then it wanted me to write 14 minus 9 equals 5, and then 14 minus 5 equals 9.
Okay. Very nice.
It's like the fact family or something. Not
Yeah.
really, but that's-
I think you're right about that. Why do you think you like math the best, math and art? What's your favorite part about math and what's your favorite part about art? I remember you saying that you liked art too.
That's me. Thank you. So you're asking what the favorite part is?
Yeah, about math or art.
My favorite part about math is this, where you have to add the numbers, and then want you to subtract them like 2 times, like repeated addition that you do with multiplication.
Yeah, you
That's
like
exactly
multiplication.
what that is.
That is.
So
What about art?
art, the thing I like about art is doing free choice art that we do here, and we also look on something that a teacher whose name is Balls does wants us to do. Like we're doing clay today. We're painting our own clay.
Ooh, what did you make with the clay? Or have you not made it yet?
I haven't made it yet, but
Do you know
we
what you're gonna
did. We did make it. We just didn't paint it.
Gotcha. What did you make if you already made it?
An owl.
An owl? Cool.
Do you have art in college, in high school, and middle school?
I had art. I don't remember it in middle school or high school, but I did in college. I did have an art class. It was a lot of fun.
No, okay, now what do you want me to do next?
Can you tell me more about why you think you like math? Did you have a good teacher? Did your parents help you? Are you just super smart? Well, duh, you're super smart.
Of course, so so you want me to, so you want to ask me why I'm super smart?
Sure. Let me know.
I'm super smart because I learn about stuff hard and stuff easy. So yeah, that's why I'm super smart. School helps you to be smart.
Did you
That's
have
why I love it.
you love school?
Yeah.
That's good. Did you have a particular teacher that made you like school or made you like math, or what made you like math so much? Because some people don't like math. I didn't like math when I was in elementary school. It was kind of hard for me. And then when I got to middle school, I started to like math again.
So the reason why I like math is because it's fun and it'll help you learn. And it will help you know what to divide, multiply, subtract, and add.
And you like to do all of those things?
Yeah. I haven't done division yet, though.
Does that seem scary to you, or are you excited to learn about that?
It's it might be hard for me after spring break, but I can get done with it. Now, what elementary school did you go to?
I went to Lewis and Clark for a little bit, and then I went to a school called Kings Point.
What's Kings Point?
It was a private school in Pasco.
So that was the only elementary schools that you went to?
How about you? Have you gone to multiple elementary schools?
Yeah, I was at Jefferson, and then I moved to Marcus Whitman and Sacagawea, and then Marcus Whitman, and then,
All over the place, huh?
and then we went to the new Marcus Whitman right here. This is the new one.
Oh, yeah, because it was, even though you were in the Sacagawea building, weren't you still attending Marcus Whitman?
Yeah, I think.
Because they were building this school? Or am I wrong?
I don't know.
Okay. That's crazy. That's a lot of moving around. Do you like to play any sports or anything?
Yeah,
What do you like to play?
T-ball.
T-ball. What do you play for, like a league or the school? Or just for fun?
It's just for fun, but it's right next to Jefferson though.
Uh-huh.
So
Do you play with your big family? Or do you play with friends?
I play with other people and some of my family. We done this like in 2016, and then we just started to quit because of the snow, and then we had to move, and we live so far from Jefferson anyway, so you're fine.
How far from Jefferson? Like, can you walk there and go play again?
No, we have to drive now.
That's a bummer. What else do you like to play? Do you like specific games here at school?
I like basketball.
Basketball? Nice. I play basketball. You like to play? Have you ever heard of like teams that'll play basketball that's like outside of school that you can play on those? I don't know what they're called.
I don't know either, but yeah.
Did you play on any of those teams?
Wait, what teams?
Teams that are, because you can play for teams while you're in school. I think it starts in middle school though. That you can play for your school. See, I played for Special Olympics when I was younger with my brother, and then I played for Carmichael Middle School. When I got to middle school, I played basketball. Do you play with any teams or just play?
I play with this kid that comes at 2:30 all the time, except on Fridays.
Oh, Miguel?
It's- yeah,
Yeah, I know Miguel. That's cool.
Miguel. So,
What's your favorite food? And
my favorite food is ice cream and Frosted Flakes and mini wheats and chocolate Fruity Pebbles and regular Fruity Pebbles and all the sorts of foods that I can find, even salmon
salmon?
and sardines.
Sardines? Wow. That's interesting.
I love fish, so
Do you like to go fishing?
we done once and we didn't catch anything besides seaweed.
Aw. Did you think you got something? You knew, I got something, and pull it up and it's just
Yeah.
seaweed?
Yeah.
I hate when that happens. I've done that before too, or it catches on a rock or a stick or something. Does your family go camping or on vacations?
We want to go camping.
Oh yeah?
And me and my mom sometimes go to Arkansas with my dad.
To visit your
But
sisters?
Yeah, but usually me and my dad only go. And we are doing spring break.
Do you fly there?
We took a bus last time, but now I want to fly. Because the bus is too long. And then if we take a bus, it's going to waste the whole entire spring break. We'll be there in 3 days. So in a plane, we'll be there in like 3 hours or so.
Mm-hmm. Have you
Three or
ever been
two.
on a plane?
I don't know if I have when I was a little kid, but I think. I'm not sure. But I'm going on there next time, so we better not be in any thunderstorms or any tornadoes.
That would be pretty bad news, wouldn't it?
Like they're getting thunderstorms soon and then snow afterwards.
Here?
No.
Oh, in Arkansas?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
We're getting snow tomorrow though, so
More snow.
more snow. They're talking about scattered snow showers today. Look at the sky, it's beautiful and sunny.
I know. I love it.
gonna melt all the snow away.
I was kind of sick of the gray skies, were you?
Not kinda, yeah, but I do like snow. It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
I wasn't sick about that. I was just sick about gray skies. Why can't it snow with blue skies?
Right? Wouldn't that be perfect? That'd be so cool.
It would be sunny and snowy.
That would be crazy. It would be so bright because the snow is so light, and then the sun on the snow it'd blind you. Did you go sledding or anything? Did you build any snowmen? What'd you do
The
with the snow?
snow doesn't compact together yet. It needs to be wet snow, so I hope whenever snow falls on next time it's wet snow.
Mm-hmm.
The sun's gonna melt the snow away, so when it turns wet, it will probably compact together.
You're probably right. Why do you think that is? Why do you think it compacts together when it's wet? Just a thought. No right or wrong answer.
Whew.
Why do you think it sticks together?
Because it sticks together because I think from the clouds.
Mm-hmm.
The clouds probably make the snow fall down, and then when it comes down, it's probably dry or wet snow.
Okay. That makes sense. That's a good way of thinking. I like that. Is it okay if we look at this and you explain to me how you can work through a couple of these and then we can be done? Is that okay?
Yeah, so you want me to do this?
Yeah, can you explain to me how you're doing it while you're doing it?
Okay, Jack made this design with pattern blocks. How many blank and blank did Jack use in all?
Do you know what this shape is?
Yeah, it's a triangle, and then I think that's a pyramid.
You think this is a pyramid?
Oh, not a pyramid, it's probably an octagon.
So how many sides does an octagon have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. How can you answer this?
So I think it wants me to count all the triangles and all the octagons and then write them down and add them.
Okay.
So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. So there's 4 of those.
4 of what?
Triangles, and then there's 1 octagon, so 4 plus 1 equals 5. So how did this break?
I don't know. Good thing I got 2.
Yep. How many more diamonds than wombuses did Jack use? How many more diamonds? Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 diamonds. I think these count as diamonds right here.
But what does this show you?
Oh, a line. So there's actually 1, 2, 3. There's 4 of those. How many more diamonds than promises did Jack use? Well, there's 2 rhombuses. And there's 4 diamonds. So 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Do you want to read the question one more time? Do you know if we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing?
Is this multiplying? Like 4 times 2, which will
So
equal
how
8.
many more diamonds than rhombuses did Jack use? So you said there's how many diamonds?
4.
How many more diamonds are there than rhombuses?
4.
There's 4 more diamonds than rhombuses. So there's two, and then if we added 4, there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are there 6 diamonds?
Yeah. No.
Do you understand what the question is asking? Do you want to come back to that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do
How
it.
many more triangles than diamonds did Jack use?
So it's worded the same as this question.
Yeah, so it's 4 and 4.
4 and 4. So how many more triangles are there than there are diamonds? None, right? If they're the same amount. Yep.
And then the alrighty. How many more triangles than diamonds did Jack use? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 4 minus 4 equals 0. How many
Great job.
diamonds and rhombuses